When you're prospecting, you're calling, cold calling, calling a for sale by owner, calling an expired, and you end up doing follow-up calls. And they say, oh, we're not going to be, when are you thinking of moving? And they say, oh, it's not going to be for 6 months, okay? You say, when should I check back with you? You say, check back with me in about 5 months. And then you cut that in half because you're a fearless agent maybe. And then you call them in 2.5 months. And then they tell you that they've already listed their house with somebody else. How did that happen? Well, it happened because you were only talking to one spouse. You got married to the wrong spouse. The other spouse had a different idea, and they happened to be the decision maker. Is that depressing? Yes, it is. There's probably no way around that. That happens sometimes. But here's the bottom line. If you're booking 5 listing appointments a week, you don't have to care about that. If you want to hit your goal, whatever it is, if it's at all realistic, doing 50 listings a year, 100 listings a year, 150 listings a year, doing them at full commission at 7%, getting 1-year listings every time like all fearless agents do, you don't care if something like that happens so much. If you book 5 listing appointments a week, probably a couple of them will cancel or maybe stand you up. You'll go on the remaining 3, and if you only got 1 of the remaining 3, you'd be doing 40, 50 listings a year, and you won't have to worry when those situations occur when you accidentally got married to the wrong spouse. Now, if any of the stuff I talk about makes sense to you in these videos, here's what I want you to do. I want you to give me a call, have a complimentary coaching call with me. Call me at 480-385-8810. I want to turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.